This video provides COVID-19 safety guidelines. Guidelines for coming to work. Come to office only if you are completely healthy. If you have cough, cold or fever, stay at home. It is compulsory to fill self-declaration form. Transport guidelines. Keep 6 feet social distance when getting in and out of bus. Sit in zigzag seating arrangement in bus. It is compulsory to wear mask. Get your temperature checked before boarding the bus. Use hand sanitizer. 2 persons can sit in 5-seater car and 3 persons can sit in 7-seater car. Company premises related guidelines. Employees to get temperature check done. Use hand sanitizers. Keep 6 feet social distancing. Do not shake hands. It is compulsory to wear mask. Dispose used mask, gloves, etc. in closed lid yellow colored dustbin only. Sanitize couriers before opening them. Spitting is prohibited. Do not eat or bring pan or gutka. Cleanliness and hygiene guidelines. It is compulsory to wear mask. Wash hands during sanitization break with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer. Clean and disinfect workspaces daily. All workplaces are being sanitized twice a day. Housekeeping guidelines. It is compulsory to wear masks and gloves. High contact areas to be cleaned every hour. Dispose cleaning materials made of cloth into closed lid dustbins only. Disinfect all cleaning equipment after use before using them in another area. Wash hands with soap and water immediately after work completion. Washroom guidelines. Soap, sanitizers, etc. should be adequately made available. Washroom to be cleaned and disinfected after every use. It is mandatory for cleaning staff to wear masks and gloves. Pantry and canteen guidelines. It is mandatory for pantry and canteen staff to wear masks, gloves and head cap. Tea coffee machine service would be suspended until further notice. Bring your own water bottles from home. Use disposable cups. Canteen timings will be staggered, so need to check often. Maintain social distancing in canteen. Don't talk during lunch or water break. Since there is no mask at that time, it becomes risky. Meeting and training guidelines. Maintain 6 feet social distancing in morning meetings. As far as possible, use virtual platforms for meetings and trainings. Face-to-face meetings should have less than 10 persons and 6 feet social distancing should be maintained. Large gatherings are prohibited. Vendors and visitors related guidelines. Call visitors only if it is urgent. It is mandatory for all visitors to fill and submit self-declaration form. After meeting, sanitize your hands and also the meeting area. Suppliers must wear PPE kit during visit. Recommended precautions after reaching home from work. It is recommended to take off your shoes before entering home, or you can keep a separate set of shoes for indoor and outdoor. Wash hands with soap and water for minimum 20 seconds. Don't shake your clothes and keep them separately for washing. Wash used clothes with hot water and detergent properly. It is recommended that you take a bath before meeting anyone in the family. Travel advisory. Do not travel to those cities or states where number of corona-infected zones are more. While traveling, maintain social distancing and take hygiene precautions. Inform your HOD before going on any personal travel. 7 days self-quarantine will be compulsory for persons returning from any personal international travel. Medical and emergency guidelines. Discard disposable items and infectious waste in biohazard bag only. In case of any suspected COVID patient, immediately report to HR and head of department and inform District Emergency COVID-19 Center. Download Arogya Setu app. Download and activate ContaTrack app to know your adherence of social distancing. Above guideline is inclusive in nature and additionally any government or local authorities applicable guidelines must be complied with.